In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the HubSpot WhatsApp integration in just 5 minutes. This is a fantastic way to connect your business communications seamlessly, enhancing customer interaction through one of the most popular messaging platforms worldwide. Let's dive right in. To get started, head over to the HubSpot homepage. If you're already familiar with HubSpot, this will feel like home. The homepage is your launchpad to all things HubSpot, whether you're managing sales, marketing, or service aspects of your business. Next, you'll need to log in. At the top right of the screen, you'll find the login button. Enter your credentials and sign into your account. It's important to note that you should have the necessary permissions to install apps onto your HubSpot account. If not, you may need to coordinate with your account administrator. Once logged in, navigate to your HubSpot home. This is your central hub where all your activities begin. Here you can manage your contacts, deals, and more. From this dashboard, look towards the top of the page where you'll see the marketplace icon. It's usually depicted with a small grid of squares. Clicking on the marketplace icon will direct you to HubSpot's array of integrations and tools, your one-stop shop for enhancing HubSpot functionalities. From here, select Apps from the drop-down menu. This takes you to the application marketplace where countless integrations are waiting to be discovered. In the search bar within the marketplace, type in WhatsApp. This will bring up the WhatsApp business integration among other related apps. By integrating WhatsApp with HubSpot, you leverage an advanced and common communication tool, allowing you to engage with customers effectively. Once the results are populated, click on the WhatsApp business option. You will be presented with the app's details page, providing information about its features and capabilities. This page is useful for understanding how the integration will impact and improve your workflows. Now, to initiate the integration, click on the Install App button. This can be found on the app's page, enabling you to seamlessly connect WhatsApp with your HubSpot platform. Follow any additional prompts to complete the installation. This may include authorizing the integration or setting up specific business numbers to connect through the WhatsApp platform. And that's it, you've successfully set up the HubSpot WhatsApp integration. Take some time to explore the new capabilities brought by this powerful connection, enhancing customer engagement by managing conversations directly from your HubSpot account. This integration not only helps streamline your communication, but also ensures that your team remains productive and focused. With this integration, you're on your way to cultivating better relationships with your customers through accessible, efficient communication. Enjoy the enhanced productivity and streamlined operations that come with integrating HubSpot and WhatsApp.